Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. Oh my gosh, guys, I am back. If you guys follow me on Instagram and saw my last post, you already know that I have been sick for the last few weeks. Man, this flu really just knocked me down. I am about 90% better now, but there's still that 10% lingering there somewhere. So if I do cough or lose my voice, you already know that that's that 10%. But I am gonna be announcing the giveaway of the Jaclyn Hill palette, so stay tuned for that. Also, I noticed that some of you don't really watch the whole entire video because some people are commenting that I am giving away a brand new bag. Guys, we're not there yet. Hopefully one day I'll be able to do a luxury giveaway for you guys, but for now it's just gonna be the Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette. So please keep on subscribing so we can get there one day. But yeah, have you guys heard about what happened to Kobe and his daughter and the rest of the people that were in that helicopter? Man, that is so sad. When I heard the news, I couldn't believe it. It just really makes you realize that life is so precious and so short, and we are so lucky to wake up every morning still. Man, it's super sad. Anyways, for today's video, we're gonna be doing another unboxing. I actually went to Gucci yesterday to buy one thing, but ended up buying 3 things. Oh man. If you live in the Los Angeles area, make sure to visit the Gucci boutique at the Topanga Mall and look for Joanna. She's actually my essay there and she's so awesome. That's the reason why I bought more than one thing. Let's get started with the unboxing. This is what the box looks like. Guys, this time for real, I didn't open it right after she put it in the box. I'm so excited to actually, when I got home last night, I wanted to open it already, but I said I'm gonna wait because I want to record this for you guys, an actual unboxing. So this is what it looks. It's so pretty. Let's take it off, take off the ribbon. She really tied it really good. And then you have the magnetic box like the Louis Vuitton. Can you guys guess what I got? Make sure to leave a comment down below if you do. You have the sticker. Guys, it's so hot in LA today, my goodness, and I don't even know why I'm wearing a long sleeves. I'm weird like that. Here it goes. It comes in this drawstring dust bag. Dun, 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 dun. It's the mini, what is this called? I don't even know, but it's a mini bucket bag. That's what it looks. I'm just taking that off. On the side, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Making a lot of noise. On the bottom, but it doesn't come with a detachable strap or a handle, which I'm so sad about. You have this, it's kind of like a belt. If you guys are wondering how much this is, let me check it out because I still have the tag, but I'm just gonna take out the stuffing inside. And you obviously have the care packet. Here we go again with the package. Care booklet and the rest that comes with it. I paid, before tax, I paid this much for the bag. It's $1,150 if you guys are interested in knowing. So if you guys notice, it's already dark outside. It's because I decided to re-record some parts of the video because I have this great idea to compare my Gucci bucket bag to my Fendi Montresor. That way you guys have like an idea of how big it is and what's the difference. So looking at the bucket bag from Gucci, obviously the straps are, there's only one strap. The strap is not detachable and it doesn't have the handle. I would definitely prefer if it does come in with a handle. That way I can also use it as an evening bag, because obviously if you are using this as a crossbody bag, it's definitely more casual. While the Fendi bag, this one is actually, oops, sorry, let me take this out. This one actually, the strap is actually detachable, as well as the handle. That's why I really love it. The only downside with this is it doesn't close all the way, because the canvas is really stiff, so it doesn't allow you to close it. So if you're going out of town or out of the country and you're afraid of pickpocketers, this is definitely not gonna be the bag to bring, because it's so easy to get your hands inside it. But I really do enjoy this because it fits a lot of things, and I do have the option of using it as a a handheld bag and a crossbody bag. For the Gucci one, this one actually closes better than the Fendi bag, but it also doesn't close all the way, but it gives you, I would say, like a good amount of privacy there, but it's still not so much. I feel like once the leather up here gets a little bit softer, I might be able to close it. I also like that it is a coated, I don't know if this is a canvas, I think it's a cloth too, but it's like coated with like glaze in it, so it's a little bit shiny. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if you can pick it up, but it is, when you look at it in person, it is a little bit like shiny. It has a sheen to it. And I just love how classic this is, because growing up I actually would see my mom wearing this type of designs handbags, and I thought this is gonna be timeless, because if it keeps on coming back, you know that it's always gonna be there. So yeah, I really like it, but I did wish that it came with a handle. Let me go put it side by side for you guys. So I think the height is the same. This bag is just rounder, as you can see, and then this one is more like kind of like a sack handbag type, but it's definitely like a bucket because of this. But in here it's kind of like squished together, but that's how it looks. And for the strap, let me see, the strap is also adjustable for this, so if you want to make it a little bit shorter, you can definitely do it, the same as the Gucci one. One thing that I really love about the Gucci bag is that you have an option to make the strap really long, because you have a good space in between the hole punches. So that's really nice if you are someone that's like 5'8" and up. With the Fendi bag, you have quite amount of holes in there, maybe like, I would say 3 at the most, but the spaces aren't so much. So if you are really tall, it might sit a little bit funny on you if you're using this as a crossbody bag. But overall, you can never really go wrong, whether if you want to go with the Gucci one or the Fendi, because I feel like these bags are timeless and you'll definitely get to use these bags a lot. Also guys, my SA is so nice to me. She even gave me the red envelopes from Gucci. I thought that was so sweet of her. This is what it looks like. I already opened this up, by the way, but this is what it looks on the back, and the front one is just plain, but when you open it, Mickey Mouse is there. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm definitely gonna be able to use this a lot. Put some money in it and give it to my nieces and nephews. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. But yeah, let's announce the winner for the Jaclyn Hill palette. The winner, by the way, is gonna be Kimji88. Kimji88. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that right, but if you are the winner, please email me or send me a DM on my Instagram so I can ship the palette. Alrighty guys, that is it for our unboxing today. I'm gonna be doing another one pretty soon, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Also, if you enjoyed this type of video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, please. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave it down below and I'll make sure to answer them as soon as I can. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.